Hey, welcome back to Alien Rest of Mine. We're going to go ahead and do an update on the shifter, the issue I'm having. So the shifter comes with, B&M shifter, sports shifter, comes with two micro connectors at the base. I'll show you those in a minute, but I just wanted to pull these out. These are out of a microwave. You'll find these micro connectors pretty much in a lot of things. Anyways, pretty much acts like a kill switch. But anyways, so they're side by side like this. The inside one is your neutral safety switch, and the outside one, it goes to your backup lights. Now remember, on the 69 Camaro, the neutral safety switch is actually on the column. Since I'm not using that, I went to the one that's on the 460 LE, which is updated version and all that. But that's not working, so I thought about it. It's like, well, what about the old stuff? So, and these connectors are really easy. You push the button, you make the connection, close the loop. There's two tabs on it. So let's go look at that. All right, like I said, the old neutral safety switch, the original, came on the column. I don't have that anymore, you can't see it. But the connector, it comes with a purple wire and a red wire. Purple and red. Purple, which is now blue, because it's the only 12 gauge I had, and red, of course. But the purple is for the solenoid, and the other one is for the ignition key. So all I did is I ran wires down and plugged it into the shifter. Now the purple one goes into the bottom connector, and the red goes into the top. Now here's your backup lights. I haven't figured out that yet. Well, that's going to be later on down the line, because I have some issues with the lights. But let me show you what I did with the connector. All right, there's your two micro connectors. The inside one is your neutral safety switch, and the outside's your backup lights. And see how tight it is down there? So you plug in this blue one actually represents the purple, which is your solenoid, and the top is the red, the keyed. So when that button is pushed, it closes the circuit and you can start the car. When it's not pushed, so when it's in reverse, drive, second, or first, it won't start. But if it's in neutral or park, it will start. And then also when it goes in reverse, this little switch hits here and should turn on your backup lights. That's what this one's for. Let's go ahead and look at, I'll go ahead and start it in each gear and show you what I'm doing. All right, so we got it in park right now. Starts up fine, go in reverse. Make sure it's all the way down. We got no start. It's in neutral. Drive. Second. First. Well, as you saw, the shifter works great. Just got to remember, this is loose. So everything that's loose, and if it doesn't make a good connection right here, you're not going to get the results that you need, as in not starting in drive. But like I said, the inside one is neutral safety switch, the outside is for your lights. And I think I've pretty much solved that issue. I'm going to move on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien Rest of My Garage.